Hey everyone, Chris over here at Ace Vacuums here in Leesburg, Virginia. We're at 300 Fort Evans Road, and today we're going to be talking about how to change a battery on your iRobot. So we get a lot of customers in that bring these in. Either they're not staying charged very long, they're having the error code coming up for the battery life, whatever the case is. We get these in a lot of the time, and a lot of the time the reason why they're not running or staying charged or for whatever reason is because of the battery issue. So today I'm going to show you guys how to change a battery on our iRobot Roomba 980. This pretty much works on all of them. There's some of the newer ones, they're a little bit different to get to, but I'm going to show you a different video on how to do those. But for the time being, we're going to go show you guys how to change these. It's super easy, and we do carry all the batteries here for all the robots, so you can order them directly here at our store at AceVacuums.com. So what you're going to want to do is turn over first and look on the back here. So what you're going to need to replace this is a Phillips head screwdriver. That's it. You're going to notice this little compartment right here. There's a screw here, and then there's a screw right there. So what we're going to go ahead and do is take these two screws out, and what that's going to do is allow you to have access to the battery, which you're going to take this top cover off, and then on the bottom here it's going to show the battery right there. Okay, basically just pull these two springs up, and this is the battery that comes out. Like I said, this is a 980. Some of them are a little bit different on the other ones, but this is pretty much exactly how you're going to change the battery. Okay, so go ahead and take that one off. You go ahead and get the new one. Okay, now what you're going to do is make sure that these top circles are on the front side of the machine, and these little bottom circles are on the back side of the machine. So basically your positive and your negative right here. Okay, so make sure it sits in just like this. This is the front part of the machine. The two bigger holes go up front. You're going to sit that right down in there, just like that. Put those tags in. Now you're going to latch this back in. There's a little hooks right there that they got to latch into the back there, and then lock that down, and then just go ahead and put the screws back in, and it's as simple as that. That's how you change the battery in an iRobot. For questions, give us a call if you need to get a battery, or if you'd like to get a free estimate, and let us know if you're having problems with it and you want to get a free estimate, come by our store. If you're having issues with it not staying charged very long and always docking or dying before it gets back to the docking station, you definitely probably got a battery issue. So give us a call, like us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. I hope this video helped you guys out. Thank you guys for watching, and have a great day.